So what are we thinking? Because cleaning these huge windows is a real headache. It's slow and risky. Come on, we've got to have a better idea.
Actually, I might. How about drones?
Drones? Those flying cameras?
Not quite right. These are specifically designed for needs like yours.
Really? Tell me more.
Okay, let me explain. A lot of people see drones as just flying objects. Well, Dubai is proving there's so much more. Smart drones are cleaning massive metro glass walls faster, safer, and far more efficient than any traditional methods. They are equipped with precision sprays, wind stabilizers, and AI-powered routes that know exactly where to go. They don't just clean better, they reduce and replace the need for a larger team, operating with just one trained operator. That means lower labor cost and even reduced liability and insurance expenses. No more dangling workers, no more water waste, just clean glass powered by clean tech. The future we imagined, it's right above you, flying in plain sight. It's not just about cleaning, it's about how innovation shows up in our everyday life. At MH Intellect, we bring STEM learning into real world. So students don't just study science, they think like innovators. Follow us to learn more about how young minds can lead tomorrow's tech revolution.